Welcome to the virtual tour of Unit 6B at number 8 to 10 Tyrone Street in North Melbourne. Located in a quiet off-street, the unit's balcony is the one directly up the top. As we enter into the complex, this unit is located on the 3rd floor. There is no elevator, therefore there is 3 flights of stairs to keep you nice and fit. As we enter into the apartment, we are greeted by open plan living, with a sunken lounge room just one step down, and a very private balcony. The kitchen sits central to the living space with a nice big fridge area and overhead shelving. Pantry. Lots of shelving there. Oven and electric stove with overhead cupboards. Caesar stone bench tops, double sink and dishwasher. The first bedroom. The bedrooms are a really good size. The carpets have been professionally cleaned and there are window furnishings booked, ready to be installed prior to a tenancy. And this property has built-in robes. The property has also been freshly painted throughout from the time of this inspection video. Directly next to the first bedroom is the bathroom with shower, toilet and basin. There's a medicine cabinet as well as a standard fixed mirror, fully tiled, and inside this bathroom is the laundry with wash tub, plenty of room for a washer, and you can certainly put a dryer up above the hot water unit. Just past the kitchen on the far end is the second bedroom. Again, the blinds will be installed prior to tenancy. Property's been freshly painted, beautiful and fresh and clean. This bedroom has a little hallway that leads to the built-in robes, and then the ensuite. This ensuite has a shower over the bath. The car parking consists of 2 levels. All the rubbish is on the first level, so you pop down through the stairwell which is not too far. It's down in the lobby, in order to pop your rubbish into the first level. The car parking for this property is located in the bottom level. The car parking also has bike racks that can be securely for your bikes. Last of all, in the basement on the lower level, we have our car space. There is no storage cage, just an individual car space, no stacker. Thank you for watching my tour video, and I look forward to receiving your application.